sum is a very nice sum, and it is about a tree which is broken, and we have to find the height of the entire tree. So we read the question first. A tree was broken due to the storm. Its broken part was so inclined that its top touched the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. The distance from the foot of the tree and the point where the top touched the ground was 10 meter. What was the height of the tree? Now I'll make you understand the diagram. First we'll draw a unbroken tree. So this is an unbroken tree. And this is the ground. Suppose unbroken tree AB. Suppose it breaks from here, D. And after breaking, this AD takes the position like this. So it's like AB was the tree, it broke at D, therefore AD broke and came down here. So AD and DC are equal, 90 degrees, and they are saying the distance from the foot of the tree and the point where the top touches the ground is 10 meters, and the broken part was so inclined that its top touched the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. So this is the diagram. So the diagram has been drawn. So now explaining the diagram. Solution. Let AB represent the tree. It is broken at T. Then AD takes the position DC. Then BC is equal to 10 meter. Angle DCB is equal to 30 degree, and AD is equal to DC. Now in this you have to use two trigonometric ratios, because we have to find the entire tree. So now see how I am doing it. First I will say in triangle DBC, angle DBC is equal to 90 degrees. First I am going to find DB. So I will be using tan, opposite side upon adjacent side. So I will say tan 30 degrees is equal to DB upon BC, opposite upon adjacent. So tan 30, by now you must be knowing 1 upon root 3. PB we don't know, and BC is 10. So DB is equal to 10 upon root 3, where 10 goes up. So 10 upon root 3 meters. So we got DB. Now see, we got DB. Now I am going to find DC. Now for DC I will say sine 30 degrees is equal to DB upon DC, because I am trying to find DC making use of DB. So that is opposite side upon hypotenuse, sine. So sine 30 is 1 upon 2, and DB we got 10 upon root 3 upon DC. So DC will become 2 into 10 upon root 3. Therefore DC will be 20 upon root 3 meters. So we got DC also. I am continuing here only. Now the height of the tree is AB, which is equal to AD plus dB. We can mention here that AD is equal to DC is equal to 20 upon root 3 meters. So what happens? So here directly I can say AD is 20 upon root 3 and dB is 10 upon root 3. So we get 30 upon root 3. So we have to rationalize 30 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. 30 root 3 upon 3. 10 root 3. Therefore, the height of the tree is 10 root 3 meters. So a very nice sum. Let's hope you understood it. The next sum is similar, so you get one more chance to understand.